Hey guys, I'm back today and I'm going to start off by using this Milk Hydro Primer. If you're following my makeup tutorials, y'all will see that this is my first step in my process of doing my makeup. I'm just going to go ahead and fix my headband. You guys who are following my hair growth journey, I'm coming up with a video soon on that as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my face, rub it in, let it dry. In this Milani Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. After my first step has dried with the milk, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with this just to give it a protection coat. This is going to help my face stay matte all day. And y'all, I absolutely love this Milani Make It Last spray. It actually does what it says, makes it matte and makes my makeup stay. I'm just gonna go ahead and wave and dry my face with my fan here. I don't know where I got it from, you guys. I've literally had this I think for almost 10 years now. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do and use this hot concealer and foundation. The colors that I have are umber. If you guys, I'm going to post a card at the top of this video. You guys, if you guys have been again following my makeup tutorials, I have a full-blown video on the hot foundation, and this is because I've tried multitudes of their colors. I was unaware that they had this color. I don't know if this is a new color or they took people's complaints and just added more colors to their arsenal, but the color I have is umber, and this color matches me perfectly, you guys. I am completely happy. Like I told y'all in my other video, if y'all watch it, please go watch that video after this one. I absolutely love the hot foundation. It's just that I couldn't find a color that matched me. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the concealer and stipple the concealer on my face. I know y'all know, those of you who are following these makeup tutorials, I said that I was not going to stipple things, but the concealer I'm going to stipple to keep it in place. I had to go over with the concealer a couple times, you guys, to cover fully my blemishes. So it does say that it's a full cover concealer. I just don't know. I don't think I was putting enough to on there to cover it. So y'all see how I'm just dotting it on there and just blotting it in. I'm doing the layering thing just because I don't want to just pile it on there. I want to actually get the coverage I need, nothing more and nothing less. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and stipple the concealer on, let it dry a bit, then go in with the foundation. Now taking the foundation, you guys, this is it, same color and umber. So my foundation and the concealer are both in umber. I'm going to take one pump of this foundation and start to go ahead and use this brush right here. Now these brushes, you guys, I got from Amazon, and I love them. They're actually super soft. So I'm just going to dab that and swirl it around, just dab it a little bit on my arm. If y'all see, it may look red, but it does, it matches. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my skin. This foundation goes on extremely smooth, you guys, and I absolutely love it. It goes on super smooth. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer that and put it on my face. Now you guys, I only use 1.5 pumps with this foundation. So I say that that's a good thing. To cover my entire face and get the full coverage that I need, I use 1.5 pumps. What I'm going to go ahead and do now, you guys, is take this Colourpop Precise Brow Pencil. It's in brown and black. And I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, you guys. This is my only eyebrow pencil that I do go ahead and utilize to do my eyebrows. All the link for all the products that I use in this video, you guys, will be down in the description box. You guys, if you're wondering, I do not go ahead and right now I'm doing a no concealer thing, basically to say that, up under my eyebrows. So what I'm doing is just brushing them up. I have already plucked my eyebrows, so I'm just trying to go for a more natural look when it comes to my eyebrows. So no concealers or anything like that. If I do shape them up, it'll be with the foundation, which is the same shade as what I used to shape them, if I even do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Sigma eyeshadow base in Persuade, and I'm going to go ahead and start to lightly dab that onto my eyelids. I've told you guys in previous videos, I go ahead and lightly put this and layer it, because what I have found with this is a little goes a long way, basically. So I just go ahead and build it up to the color that I need for the eye look that I'm going for. Using, you guys, is all my colors are gonna come from this Juvias Place Honey palette. I'm gonna start off with that color right there. It's like a very dark rust color. If you guys can see, I'm trying to get it in the angle, but that's the color that I'm gonna go ahead and be using, and I'm gonna start to put that on my lid. So using that small brush that I showed you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe that across my lid, you guys. As I've told you in my previous video, I'm gonna start using like the smaller brushes because I noticed they help me a lot more than the bigger brushes when trying to do my makeup looks. The makeup doesn't go like everywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to tap and swipe that across my lid, you guys. That is a beautiful rust color, and I think it's perfect for fall. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my mobile lid and blend it out and up. I'm now going to go ahead and take this Don't brush with that darker burnt orange color, and I'm going to go ahead and use that as my transition color to go ahead and just put that in my crease to go ahead and blend out that rust orange color, you guys. This is going to be such a pretty look, but I'm just going to use that and just keep swiping back and forth to blend it out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this lighter orange color. It's like a mandarin orange type color. I'm gonna take that, and that brush is like a flat brush. It looks like it's like a round brush, but it's not. It's a flat tip brush, you guys. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and basically place the shadow right up under my brow bone and blend it out until I get the consistency that I want. This is kind of meshing and blending, so I am just layering it until I get to the desired basically look that I want with the orange. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take a very small flat brush and take that gold color and put it into my inner crease, you guys, and blend it out just a bit. I'm not going to take this over my whole lid because I don't want it all over my whole lid. If you guys can see, I am just taking it and just rubbing it on the inner crease. Now some people would use like a like some type of adhesive or something like that to make it stick, but these palettes right here really don't need any of that. If you guys can see, the color payoff is nice, and you don't need anything to like tack it to in order to go ahead and make sure that the color fits. But I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing that, you guys. If you see, it gives a subtle effect. You can put some type of something on there to make it more vibrant if you like, but this is the look that I was going for. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Rimmel London black liquid liner, you guys. I bought it off of Amazon. I actually love it. It goes on really shiny, but then it dries down matte. So I absolutely love this, and I would recommend it to any of you. I love the tip as well. I think like towards the very tip of it, it is softer and a little bit bendable. So that's why I actually love it. So it goes and slides on very smoothly, as you guys can see. And I'm going to give myself a super skinny cat eye, nothing thick. I really don't like thick cat eyes, you guys, to be honest, because I already have hoodie eyes, so it makes my eyes look smaller. But I'm just going to go give myself a very small cat eye, and that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go take one of my favorite mascaras. It's this Essence Lash Princess Mascara in black. Y'all, I love this. It makes my eyelashes look like I have false eyelashes, and I have zero issues with it. It's not too runny or wet to where like if you blink, if you're doing your bottom lashes or anything like that, it gets on your makeup or concealer or whatever you have at the bottom part of your eyes. So what I'm going to do is just put, today I use actual 3 coats of this mascara. You don't have to, it's just this is me and what I like to do. I put 3 coats of the mascara on each one of my eyes with my eyelash. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be taking this Essence Camouflage Concealer, and this is in Golden Toffee. This is my new concealer that I absolutely love, you guys. It is so pretty. It's not too light or anything. It just gives you like this beautiful golden color. So I'm just going to go ahead and dab that up under my eyes, and then I'm going to get my beauty blender and blend it out. Y'all gonna see. I was having some type of decision issue of which way I wanted to turn the beauty blender. I was like, oh my goodness, I don't know if I want to use the top or the bottom, but I ended up using the pointy piece. Y'all, I'm gonna get some other beauty blenders and try those out. It's like the angled ones. I'm gonna buy them from Amazon, and y'all will see them in like some of the upcoming makeup tutorials. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my concealer all out with that damp beauty blender. All right, you guys, now that I have put concealer on my mid forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, I'm gonna go ahead and use that black Radiance press powder. It is in Honey Glow. I'm going to be using it with that flat top kabuki brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and just set my concealer. That's how it looks. Y'all, if y'all wondering where I got these brushes from, they're from Amazon. Mostly all my brushes I got from Amazon, except for the ones I got from Beauty Crush Cosmetics and the ones from Sigma, but I'll let you guys know. But yeah, you guys, I absolutely love this pressed powder. Some people use the Sacha Buttercup. I have that as well, but I've been lately using this one, and that's what I'm going to use just to set my concealer and everywhere. Right, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and use this pointed brush from that same brush line, and this is in Mahogany, the pressed powder. Y'all, I absolutely love these pressed powders. Like, they go on, I don't know, I just love them. I really do. And I told y'all I'm trying new stuff with these brushes and stuff like that. My earring was getting in my way, oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face, you guys. Sorry for my looks. I don't know, I be looking so weird when I be doing my makeup, you guys. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go contour my jawline with that brush, and surprisingly this went on smooth and it blended it out well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour the rest of my face as well, and I'll be back. Now, taking this LA Girl Pro Pressed Face Powder, I'm using the Warm Honey, you guys, and I'm going to use that fluffy brush right there and just go ahead and set all of my face with that powder. I have been loving this powder, you guys. I want to try to fit me foundation and fit me powders as well, but I love this powder, you guys. I'm just going to set all over my face with that brush. Now, you guys, what I want to start doing as well is going ahead and just using my ring light instead of all my lights from my makeup tutorials, because I'm noticing sometimes my makeup looks are not looking as pretty as they actually are, because I believe that there's too many lights that I'm having. So what I'm gonna start doing is just using my ring light to see if that makes a difference in how my colors pop, so I can bring how it actually looks to you guys. I'm gonna go ahead now and take this blush by MAC. It's called Pinch Me. This has been my favorite blush that I have been using lately. I'm gonna take my same foundation brush, tap it in there, and just go ahead and swirl that around on my cheeks to give me that nice, pretty, I don't know how to call it, but it is pretty, you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to put my blush on, and I'll be back. Y'all, this tiny little pencil is from Georgiana. It's a dark brown pencil. This is my favorite pencil, you guys, to go ahead and use. Y'all know, if y'all following these tutorials, I have been telling y'all that black does not fit me. So the dark browns is the ones that I gravitate to, and this one, as you guys can see, is my most favorite one because it is so tiny. But I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline and my lash line with this dark brown pencil. Type of lipstick or lip liners I'm using today, you guys. I've been loving this natural look. I'm going to use this NYX lip pencil, and it is in natural. I cannot find it anywhere, so I bought some lip glosses off of Amazon. That's some dupes. Y'all will be seeing them in these upcoming makeup tutorials. So I'm just gonna put on my lip gloss, you guys, and I'll be back. Now, to go ahead and set everything, I'm going to be using my Milani Make It Last matte spray again. This lasts for 16 hours, you guys, and I don't know, my makeup, I don't know, no setting spray lasts me a whole 16 hours. I'm being very honest. I won't look as oily and dewy, but I'm just going to go ahead and spray that all over my face, and yes, it does exactly what it says about mattifying you. Now, I do have to retouch about once a day. However, my makeup does not slide all over my face. So yeah, I wouldn't say it lasts as in that aspect. But I'm just going to go ahead and fan my face, you guys, with this fan. Again, I don't know where I got it from. I've had it for almost 10 years, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. This is a headband wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. New people, if you are considering subscribing, please do. I have more content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. I absolutely love you guys. Bye.